just pulled up to the boat launch and I see a thing standing in the road. It's a deer. Like, why is it just standing right there? Just in the middle of the road, just looking at me. That's fun. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that bluegill right there. The thing is huge. The thing is massive. I did see some bass on like the shoreline when I was launching. I think they're stalking these spawning bluegills. Oh, something came after me. I couldn't tell what it was. Looked like maybe a little pike. Damn, I totally forgot my anchor and it is bad out here. Oh, you know, yeah, we do have a fish. I really couldn't feel that at all. I felt us get hit, but there we go, first little bass of the day. Just really slow reel. The DT16 again. With this like wind blowing, it's just like hard to jig, and I don't have an anchor. Yeah, we got smacked. Boy, we got smacked hard. Oh, he came off. What a nice bass. I can't even be. That would have been a nice bass. There we go. Oh, it came off again. Oh my God, another nice bass that just came off. What's going on? These hooks are like dummy sharp too. We can't have that. We can't be losing bass like that. We just lost like a 4-pounder and then we just lost like maybe like a 2.5 pound chunk. Maybe 3. Oh my gosh, like hundreds of bluegills spawning right over here. Another little guy, bro. Second bass. It is getting considered stupid windy out here for what we were expecting. Bro, I'm literally going so fast at this dock, bro. Damn, now we are flying. Out of this wind, bro, we are zooming, bro. We are flying. Like, it literally feels like a video game sometimes in this kayak. It is crazy. There we go. Just a nice healthy bass on the spinnerbait. Bloop. Just another nice size bass, nothing crazy on the spinnerbait. Out of nowhere. There we go. Out of nowhere, just a feisty little bass. There we go. I had no idea if there was going to be anything back here. Seems like all the bass I've been seeing have been by like bluegill beds and stuff. Like there could be some bluegill beds underneath here, but this is always more like a normal type of bait fish type of area, and then like frogs, you know, like dead stuff gets blown in and then they eat it. But this wind is absolutely bonkers, and that seems to be, oh my god, just pushing me through this thickest stuff ever, like nothing. And that seems to be like the repeating thing. Like every time I go fishing, it's a hurricane. It is literally a hurricane. Can I just have a day with like, I'm fine with 15-mile-per-hour winds. I'm fine with that. But whatever this is, bro, I don't even know. Blowing around like everything on my boat. Oh. Damn. Oh, popped off in the net. Cookie cutter size on the spinnerbait. Those first two fish we missed on the deep diver were big. And now it's just kind of been these guys, which I'm fine with. Like this is, for some reason, big bass and big pike do come back here to spawn, but it is post-spawn. Oh, I do have a fish. I didn't even feel this guy hit it. Gotta be careful unhooking little guys with these because they will get that frog stuck in their throat. Instant. Instant muncher. Mega dink on the frog. Oh my god. How many times? Was not expecting that bite. My theory for the day is like the big bass and big game fish, I think, are like so jacked up chasing like bluegills that like when they do catch the glimpse of my bait and like in a hungry zone, they just swipe at it so aggressive, and it's like not even like a good chance to like get a good hookup because they just attack it so aggressively. Like I think with the deep divers, they were swiping at it so hard that they want to get hooked good. There we go. There we go. Same size as those spinnerbait fish. God damn, I just sold. Motherfucker, bro, I had something big chasing me. Sell job 3,000, bro. Whole day has just been sells. Oh, there we go. Bowfin. Oh, that's a bowfin. Oh my God. Bowfin alert. Bowfin alert. Look at that. Nice bowfin. I think you can gill grab them, but they're so scary. Like, their mouths are not to be fucked with. Like, they're all muscle, bro. They will flatten metal. Look at him. Look at him. There he goes. Put up a nice fight. Those things scare me so bad. I do want to gill grab one though at some point. This metal part right here, I've caught a bowfin. The very first bowfin I caught, it flattened this metal part like a dime. I've never once seen a muskie or pike do that. Like, the bowfin, I'm not, like, obviously their teeth are scary. Like, I think they have like brute power to like imagine trying to flatten this with a pliers. That's how much like yomp they have. Like, that's what I'm more scared of than the teeth. Because you're already taking that gamble with a pike, but I've never seen a pike yomp down a piece of metal before.